guys, alright, sharp. Now this one, the only thing I'm going to teach is that people do mistakes, right? The first thing that you have to do here is change this, convert this into standard formula. What is the standard formula? Ax squared plus bx plus c. So can you see here that I only have a and b? Where is c? Are equal? So what must I do? I must say, okay, 3x squared minus 2x. Then I must transpose the c this side. Nah. So basically here what's happening is that they did this. They said ax squared plus bx is equals to c. Right? So what must I do? I must transpose the c so that this formula can be like this. Nah. And then I equate it to 0. Right? So what's going on now? I'm transposing my c now. When I transpose, every time I transpose, the sign changes. So now I'm having a negative 6. Then I equate it to 0. Can you see now that this equation is the same as the one that we were doing above? Right? Now I know that my a is 3. And then my b is negative 2. Then my c is 6. So I can just say c, b, and a there. Right? What do? I use the quadratic formula. Same method. Right? I don't have to write that quadratic formula down. You guys know what to do. I don't teach something twice, right? I hope it makes sense. From there you solve, you solve, you solve. So now, if it happens, now they said correct to 2 decimal places. Now this question is 4 marks. Why is it 4 marks? They want to see if you can correct to 2 decimal places. Hence I said the quadratic formula here is a must. Sharp. Let's just say I'm going to teach this thing again. If your answer is x is equals to 3,899. Nah? Don't even think twice. Then it means your answer, you're going to look at this one. This one is going towards 10. So it's going to be 3, right? Comma what? Can you see now we have 8 and then we have 9 there. What is it going to be? Then your answer is 3,9. You can say 90 if you want, but it's the same thing. Right? You've corrected to 2 decimal places. The extra mark that they're giving, why it's 4 marks, they want to see if you can correct to 2 decimal places. If your answer maybe happens to be, remember you have 2 answers here, né? And the all must be there. If it happens to say your answer is 8,113, then your answer is going to be x is equals to 8,11, because 3 is less than 5. If the number is less than 5, then it remains the same. But if it's greater or it's equal to 5, then what happens? We are rounding it off. I hope it makes sense right there. So if there's anything that you don't understand, that was part 2 of me teaching algebra. We're going to go deeper and deeper until you understand. Because guys, listen to me very, very carefully. There's absolutely no way you're going to pass maths if you don't understand this general section. There's no way you can do simultaneous equations or the patterns if you don't understand what's going on, because we have what we call quadratic patterns or whatsoever. So this understanding, the basic understanding, is the one that leads us to distinctions and great marks in mathematics. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. From me, your boy, K-Pro ATM. I'm out. It's your boy. Why?